In this video, I will show you how to earn RevPoints on Revolut. So if you want to start earning RevPoints on Revolut, then please make sure you watch this video until the end. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to go over to your RevPoints tab all the way at the bottom right. And from here, you need to be sure that you have everything set up in order with RevPoints. So once you have that done, you can go ahead and clicking on Earn in here on this plus icon. And once you do that, you will see a couple of options on how you can earn RevPoints. So the main way to earn points is with your debit card by making card payments. And on the basic plan, you will earn around 1 Revolut point for every €10 or $10 spent. You can also upgrade your plan and then you will earn more with less money spent. So you can also do it with spare change in here, and you can also get bonus points by making payments, for example, with stays, shops, experiences, challenges, or a points pocket. So let's say you're going to book a hotel, let's say in Dubai, you're going to click on this, and then you will see a bunch of hotels popping up in here. And if you select one, you will see down below how much Rev points you will earn by making this purchase. So this will be added up into your account, and this is also a way on how you can earn Rev points. So as you can see, there are a lot of ways. You just need to spend money. That's basically what it is about, and that is how you can do it. So if you aren't started yet on Revolut and you want to, then go ahead and check the link in the description to get started for free with a nice welcome bonus. Anyway, that is it for the video. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.